Frosty the Snowman Day today, Mrs. Henley's friends. I hope you're wearing your snowman, Frosty the Snowman, or any kind of snowman costume today, or if you have a shirt that has Frosty on it, or Olaf, or anything that you want to wear today. It is Frosty the Snowman Day today. Okay, I'm showing you my outfit here. Okay, I'm Frosty the Snowman. Okay, Mrs. Hensley's friends, we are going to get started on our Frosty the Snowman. It's kind of Olaf, I think, but it's a snowman, right? Whether it's Olaf or Frosty or whatever. Okay, you are going to need this out of your new packet. Okay, you are going to need scissors. You are going to need a glue stick. And you will also need this. This was with this. This is a sentence strip. And this, okay? So Mrs. Hensley has already made one. But that's okay. I'm going to show you how to make yours, okay? Okay, so first of all, you are going to cut on the dotted line, okay? So remember, your scissors point to the sky. Okay, so you are going to cut on the dotted line. Just like that. Okay. I know. Okay, now you're going to get your crayons. Hold on just a moment, okay? Mrs. Hensley's friends, I had to ask Madison a question. Okay, so you are going to color this part right here, okay? Does not have to be the same color that Olaf is, okay? I colored his mouth red. I colored his nose orange, the middle of his eyes green, because that's what Mrs. Hensley's color of eyes are. Well, they're actually hazel. There's some brown and some green in there. So, and then his eyebrows I colored brown, and his hair I colored brown. But you can color his hair black if you want, or yellow, a normal color hair color. Okay, and his eyes, you can do the color of your eyes if you would like, or you can make him brown like Olaf. Okay, so you're coloring that part. Then the other part, this right here. Okay, you're going to color his hair, the color that you would like, and these are his teeth. Okay, so after you've colored this part, and you've colored this part, cut both of these out. So cut here all the way around, and do not cut on that dotted line. You're going to fold on that dotted line after you have the teeth cut out. So you will cut on the outside of the teeth. You will not cut this line. You will not cut that line. After this is cut out, let me show you. I'm leaving them white because teeth are usually, hopefully they're white, right? We wouldn't want them green or purple or black. Oh, that's nasty, isn't it? Okay. After you have that part cut out like this, you're just going to fold on that dotted line. Fold on the dotted line. Okay? So it's going to look like that. Because that part will get glued right here. Okay? It'll get glued right there. Okay? So you're going to color the back flap right here where that flap is, not color. You're going to glue the flap right here, and then you're going to place that flap right here. Okay, and you can press down to make it stay and then put his teeth down. Okay, once you have done that and you have it all colored and you have the teeth on, Mrs. Hensley has her teeth on. Once you do all that, you're going to take this and you're going to glue on the back. Okay, you're going to glue it on the back. Then remember, you have to measure your head. Have an adult help you. Okay, and it's going to be your snowman headband. Okay, this does not need to come back to school. This is yours to keep. So you can be Olaf or you can be Frosty. You can be a snowman. Okay, so you make that. You have someone else take a picture of you. So you'll click the green add response button in this lesson. You will have someone take a picture of you wearing your snowman headband. Okay, Mrs. Hensley's getting a little bit hot. So guess what I'm gonna do? Watch. Ha! I got snowman headband. Mrs. Hensley looks a little bit like a dork with her hair because I am sweating, which is not a good thing, is it? No. Okay. So, this is my headband. You're going to wear this headband, and you're going to take a picture. Okay? So it's going to look like this. Madison's over there laughing at Mrs. Hensley. That's sad, isn't it? Okay. So you're going to put your headband on, have someone take a picture, and send it to me. I can't wait to see what you look like in your Olaf or your snowman headband. Okay, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Also, ooh, nasty hair. Okay, you guys have a wonderful Wednesday. Mrs. Hensley will talk to you soon. If you're wearing any kind of snowman gear, that means a shirt with a snowman or headband or your hat, anything snowmanish today for Frosty the Snowman, make sure you put it where Mrs. Hensley has added the picture of Frosty the Snowman Day picture. Okay? Okay. Have an awesome, wonderful Wednesday, and I love you, I miss you, and I will talk to you soon, friends.